Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Talal Ali Jan, your friend and mentor for this course. I would describe myself as an education enthusiast, a conversationalist and a passionate optimist. I love talking to people and interacting with them, whether it's through dramatics or formal teaching. I run my own academic institute by the name of Tutoria, where we prepare students for standardized tests like SAT, GRE GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, and also help them with career counseling and admissions consultancy. The vision from the beginning has been very clear. We want to empower students and bridge the gap that exists between them and their dream colleges. Now let me tell you a little about my background, about my story. With a stellar academic record in one of Lahore's best private high school and a missionary zeal for higher education, I started applying to my dream colleges in the US close to my graduation. Despite having professional career counselors at school, the experience with college counseling proved rather challenging. The counseling was rather limited to relaying prosaic information that was already readily available over the internet. In retrospect, I realized that we needed guidance, assistance in how to effectively package our profile, like our transcripts, SAT scores, personal statements, and recommendations, to effectively communicate our unique story and objectives to the admissions committee. I realized that if this gap existed in one of the best schools of Pakistan, the information was definitely grave in the rest of the country. I did apply, but I got waitlisted from my dream colleges, Yale and Stanford. That was literally heartbreaking. And that was the starting point of my teaching career. I started teaching while I was in my A-levels. I vowed to myself that I'll do whatever I can in my individual capacity to help students, to empower students. Until date, I have taught more than 10,000 plus students, and by the grace of God, they have made it to institutes like Harvard, MIT, Yale, Stanford, Oxford, Cambridge, and many other institutes across the globe. You name the institute and you will find my students there. Other than this, I've been able to forge partnerships with more than 30 plus schools and institutions across the country. And we are the only institute in Pakistan which has got more than 500 plus 5-star reviews on our Facebook page. Also, my dream to get into an Ivy League institute also got fulfilled this year. By the grace of God, I am the only Pakistani who got selected into this prestigious program at University of Pennsylvania on the highest merit scholarship. Currently, I am pursuing my master's from there in education entrepreneurship.